Congratulations, Coach Pat Aquino, on finally getting your first win with the Blackwater Ballstic. But looking at the way you managed to close out today's game despite burning what once was a 22-point lead, what for you was the most commendable thing about your game today?
Well, first of all, I want to say thank you to God for this win. And then again, that's what we told the boys: don't stop playing. We continue to play the game. I think the boys did. They did all the things that we needed to win this game. I'm just proud of them, especially this guy. Never stop. And for a fact that the percentage of our 3 points went up. That's one thing that we're looking forward, making a little bit of those shots, and and exploit Rob. I mean, Rob is a big guy, should be exploited, and hopefully, more to come on the coming games. More. The things that we need to do a lot more. But again, thank you for this game. Hopefully, we could do it one more.
Thank you, Coach Pat. Now we would like to open the floor for friends from the press.
Congratulations. It's the first ever win with the what's that big lead for San Miguel yung Apple. How did the guys were able to pick up composure and eventually embrace the thing?
Well, again, I told them I know they're gonna come back. This is a this is a champion team. Coach Leo's a champion coach. Everything they're gonna pull on us, just to get back on us. And I just told the boys, never stop playing. Even though they're gonna come back, we know that they're gonna come back. Never stop. Believe in what we're doing. Play together and enjoy the game.
Sa most of this first ever win to you.
One from the books, of course. Grabe. So tough. So tough to win here in the PBA. I know a lot of challenges, a lot of good coaches around the league, this is professional. We gotta be professional in a way that you gotta deal it as a you know very you gotta deal it with work na talagang you have to perform and do your best all the time.
Siyempre, the first half it was Rob was leading the way. The second half when San Miguel was came back, it was you and some of the guys that Giatrate who were able to release the them.
Yeah, Rob. I mean, he's a specimen out there. He carried us, the whole way, not just the first half. And it's not just about his scoring; it's his attitude, his energy, the way he instills confidence in us. Coach been saying this whole time to believe, and he didn't come in and he didn't have an easy job, but his message to us is to believe, to be confident, and we just kept fighting. So I know it means a lot to this group to win this game, especially against a championship team. For us, it wasn't just a regular game. I think we all woke up ready to play today. So. Yeah.
All sports team have you 6-3 over.
I mean, Coach Pat gives me the ultimate confidence. But at the same time, he tells me when to be smart. He gets on me when, I need to be doing something better. So for me to be able to play through, those 4 quarters and I wasn't necessarily shooting the ball well, I think it means a lot to me and it helped us close the game out. So.
So, this is your first time to beat San Miguel.
Yeah, first time.
So, how's the feeling?
It feels good. I mean, those guys have been at the top of the top. They know what it's like to win. They know what it takes to win. A lot of those guys just have had careers that you dream of having in the PBA. So, that was kind of the motivation today, which is to go out there and compete with those guys and perform.
Coach, can you just talk about the contributions of other key players like DJ Andrade, si Paul Jamar, and even Rookie CJ?
Yeah, it's about contributing as much as you can. I know they have talent. I know that's why they're here in the PBA. That's why we give them the opportunity and the time to play. And it's just showing up and being confident out there and playing together with with the rest of the guys, especially with the guys like Rob and Sed and CD. And I think we need a lot more of them from the team, and hopefully everybody can contribute as we go along the way.
Coach, kamusta yung moral yung team after yung loss sa Phoenix? Kasi we're coming off a game na ang ganda nung nakita niya against TNT, then nga nila tatalo. Kamusta naman yung after that game?
It was really not a down moraling defeat but for us, but it's siguro sabihin na natin na it's parang a motivation for us to come up and play harder. We know that we can play harder, and as far as we know that we can be at par with them in talent, but playing together is one thing and enjoying the game is one thing.
Coach, with this win, you feel like yung team has one final push in them in para try pumasok sa playoffs.
Well, it's one part, but it's not the one that would give us to the quarterfinal, get us to the quarterfinal. We need more. We need to work more, and I know this is a good start to go with, and hopefully uh, and prepare well. It's gonna be hard for us because it's back-to-back games against another defending champion, and of course, my idol, Team Cone. And so you gotta set something for them to uh, believe in what we're doing here is going forward, not going backward.
Cedric, just your thoughts about Ginebra waiting for Blackwater.
Um, it's going to be a high level game. They're a championship team as well. They've seen it all. But we have a whole new look as Blackwater. Some guys went down, and the next man up mentality is there for us. So I think we're confident, but it's going to be a fight, and we gotta prepare ourselves. Like Coach said, keep working, and come out guns blazing. You know.
Coach, ano lang, nandis na namin. Yung si Geos kaya kasi yung pick him up, anong nakita mo sa kanya, why you,
I think CJ is a very high IQ player. I've been seeing him play in LaSalle, and I know he can do a lot for us. Defensively is there. Making some uh, make it easy for some of them. Like said, we need somebody who's hustling and doing other stuff. And yeah, just happy to have him, and of course, just moving forward again. Lahat na. Di pa sanay. Sorry. Thank you.